Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson our food, our health. Which lesson it is? 10th lesson. Our food and our health. We need food to live. What we need to live? We need food. Not only food, we also need air and water. Yes or no? To live on the earth. Now, do all of us eat the same kind of food? All of us eating same kind of food? No, some members eat only vegetarian food, some members eat non-vegetarian food, some members eat both foods, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Like this, all people eat different kinds of food, not same kinds of food. Yes or no? All people eat different kinds of food. And do all of us eat food at the same time? All members are eating food at the same time? No. Yes or no? Some members eat very fast and some members eat late. Small children eat very fast and elder people eating late. So, all members not eating food at the same time. So, time is also different. Food is also different. Time is also different. Now, how are food habits different? Now, how they are different food habits? Now, think. We get food from plants and animals. From where we are getting food? From plants and animals we are getting food. Yes or no? Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, tubers, all. In this way we get plants, food from plants and animals. Now let us know more about our food in this lesson. What is our lesson name? Our food, our health. So what we are going to learn in this lesson? More about our food in this lesson. Now look at the picture given below. Say what is going on. Now all children look at the picture here given. What is going on? See here. One woman is kicking and cutting here. The man is carrying water. Yes or no? Now here all members sat in circle and they were started eating. Now answer the questions here. Now what are different people doing? What they are doing here in the picture? They are eating. Yes or no? They all sat in one circle and started eating. Now here one woman is cooking. One woman is cutting vegetables, carrying water in vessel. Now these things are done in picture. Now why might they have gathered here? See why they gathered here. Why they gathered here? Because they came for a picnic. That's why they all gathered and eating food and cooking food outside. Whenever you are going to picnic outside, you may carry food or you will cook there and eat food. Like that only here also in the picture, they are cooking food and eating here. So now you can understand why they came. They came for a picnic now. Now picnic, Vanabhojanam. Why they came now? They came for picnic, Vanabhojanam. Now Navid, Vipin, Neeli and Deepti are studying in 5th class. Which class they are studying? These 4 members are studying in 5th class. Now one day their families went out for picnic. Whose families? This Navid, Vipin, Neeli, Deepti. These families went out for picnic. Okay. Now they opted for an open space with trees on the banks of their village tank. Where they went for picnic? Which spot they chose? They chose an open space with trees here, with the trees on village tank as the picnic spot. Now the children and the elders enjoyed picnic. Who are there here? The children, that 4 members children and their families enjoyed this picnic. Now they spoke to each other and played different games. Whenever you are going outside for picnic, what you are doing? You are also playing games, yes or no, and enjoying lot. Like that, here also they are also playing some games and enjoying picnic. Now they fetched dry grass and firewood for cooking. They also brought grass and firewood for cooking. Now they arranged the stove. All elders and children together cooked food with the materials they brought for cooking. See here, they brought grass and dry grass and firewood. What they brought? Again, they brought some materials for preparing the food. They cooked the food what they brought with the materials what they brought. Now children, turn your page 122. Now you see here, during lunch time they all sat in a circle. You can observe these all members sat in a circle, yes or no? What they were doing? They sat in circle and they started eating. Now children arrange the leaf plates. Children arrange the leaf plates. Some people use freshly picked leaves as plates. Whenever we are going outside, we will also take plates and glasses. Like that only they also carried some plates. Some members used leaves only as plates. Now hot and cooked food was served along with the different items. What they put in the plate? They put food and another items with what they brought from their houses. Now Naveed brought jowar rotis. What he brought, Naveed? Jowar rotis. Neeli brought chicky and sweets. Neeli, what she brought? Chicky and sweets. Now Vipin got boiled horse gram, red gram and Bengal gram. What he brought? Horse gram, red gram and Bengal gram. Now Deepti shared the porridge she brought. Porridge means ganji. Deepti, what she brought? Porridge. Ganji she brought and shared with her friends. All of them shared the food items and ate heartily. Now we also sharing your food with your friends now. Whenever you are going to picnic, you are also sharing the food items what you brought. You are sharing with your friends and start eating. Like that only here also these are all 5 members shared their food items with each other and started eating happily. Now they spent the day happily. How was the day there? Happily. The day went happily. There is really no need of an occasion to go on a picnic. There is no need of any occasion to go on picnic. There is no need of any occasion. People just decide and go on a picnic for one. See, for picnic, if they want to go to picnic, they just decide and they only go. There is no need of any occasions, yes or no? If no occasion is needed, if they want to go for a picnic. Now discuss in groups. Do you like to share your food with others? Yes, you are also sharing your food with your friends, yes or no? Why? Why do you like to go out for picnics? Why are you going outside for picnics? For enjoying, for playing games and sharing food and eating happily, to spend the time freely and happily. That's why we are going out for picnics. Differentiate between the food cooked at home and cooked on a picnic. Difference is there, yes or no? Cooked items in food and at home and picnic. What occasions do we eat food together? On which occasions we eating food together? If any festivals, functions is there, means we are eating food together, yes or no? Now you see midday meals. You can observe the picture what is going on there. All children sat in line and they are starting eating lunch, yes or no? This is called midday meals. Now you take your page number 123. Now you see here. Now see, the lunch bell rang. In your school also lunch bell will ring. No, afterwards what you are doing? You are starting to eat lunch. Yes or no? Like that here also which bell rang? The lunch bell rang. All the children wash and hands and plates. What they wash? Hands and plates under the tap with soap. All the children wash their hands and plates with soap under the tap. Now they stood in a queue for taking midday meal. Where they stood? Now they are standing in line for taking midday meal. Now the day they were served rice, dal and sambar in midday meal. What they had on the day? What they had? They had rice, dal and sambar in midday meal on the day. Now there is a different menu every day. Different types of food is given every day to the children in the school during midday meals. For the midday meal, eating together helps children to develop friendship with other students. Eating together what helping? Develop friendship with other students. Now children who get food from their homes share it with others. See, some children bring home from their food. What they are doing? They are sharing that food with other students. Now thus they get to know the different food habits of others. Now see, different people will eat different food. Yes or no? Then only they can understand that different food habits of others people. Now some children eat only rice and pickle. What they are eating? Some children? Rice and pickle. Some children eat with vegetables. What they are eating? Some children eat with vegetables. See how food habits are different. Now some others do not eat properly. Some others do not eat properly. They throw away rice and vegetable pieces. What they are doing? They are throwing the rice around the plate and throwing the vegetables. All the vegetables what they don't like to eat in the curry, they are throwing it. Now this is not a good practice. If you are throwing, it is not a good one. Now some children do not get enough food at their homes and they come to schools without eating. Some children what happen? They don't get enough food in their homes. That's why they come to schools without eating. If you are going to school without eating, what happen? You will feel stomach pain. If you are not eating food in the morning while you are going to school, energy is not there in your body. If energy is not there, means you are not listening or not writing, not reading, and whatever is told by teacher you are not doing. So eat food and go to school. Now serving midday meal is very essential for such children. Now what is important for the children? Because school is providing food. In order to that only they are coming to school. So it is being made important for that children. Food is provided. That's why they are coming to schools. Now many children in our country do not get enough food to eat. See, in our country many children are not getting enough food to eat. The children who do not get sufficient food do not grow healthy. See, if you are not eating good food, your health is not good. If you are eating food good, then only your health is also good. Now those who are not healthy do not show interest in studies. What happen if you are not eating food? You are not showing interest in studies. The Supreme Court of India has ordered that nutritional food should be served to all children in every school. Supreme Court what it has given ordered or in all schools, in all government schools, nutritional food should be supplied during midday meals. It has passed the order. Now from then the government of India has been serving midday meal to all children in government school. This midday meal program, where it is, in which school it is there? In government school, to all children in government school. Which food is given, especially nutritious food should be given to the childrens. Now, who serves midday meal lunch to you in your school? Now, do all children in your school eat midday meal served at school, or do they bring food from home? Why? Some children eat there only, otherwise some children bring from home. Yes or no? Why they bringing? They don't like that midday meal. That's why they bringing this food from home. Now, what is today's menu in midday meals in your school? See what is served today in midday meal. Now, is sufficient food is served in your school? Yes. Do you teachers eat along with you? Why? Do all children like to eat pieces of vegetables in food, or do they throw them? Why? See, all children are eating vegetable pieces in the food. Yes, some children eat or some might throw, because they don't like to eat, they will throw. Now, what food do you like to have for midday meals? Which food do you like to have for midday meals? Collect. Now, list out the food items served for midday meals in your school in the last week. Now, which items do you think would be better if you served as a part of the midday meals? Tabulate them. Now, which food items you feel to be served during midday meals? That item you write in the box, page number 100. Now you open page your 124, 124. Now you see day food served in midday meals. Did you like or not? What food would you like to have in midday meals? See which days give. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See which type of food is served in midday meals, that you write down here. Now, if you like it means yes, not like means no. You write there down. Again, what food would you like to have in midday meals? Which type of food you want to have? That food you write the name here in the box. Okay. You notice 1 week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You notice only 1 week and write in the table here. Now, which days do you like the food? Why? Which food you like? Which days? You complete this box now. Afterwards, which food, which day, which food day you are liking, that why you are liking, you say. Now, which days you didn't like the food? Why? Do all children like midday meals? Yes or no? Now, what do you do with the leftovers of midday meals at school? See, after all children eating, some food is left now. What you are doing with that food? You are giving to poor people. Yes or no? Who is there outside? For them you are giving. Okay children, tomorrow we will discuss the next part of this lesson.